detail. How to solve a statement formula? Oh, it's so easy. By using truth table. For n atomic variables, we have to construct 2 raised to n rows. In case of small circuits, as the circuits are small, statement formula is small, and in case truth table is also small. Then what should I do for big circuits? I have one more problem. Some Boolean expressions we can't solve. For example, consider absorption law. Don't worry, my friend, I have solution over it. Wow, it's so nice. What is that? Please tell me. It's BCNF and PDNF. I'm not getting. They stands for what? BCNF stands for Principal Conjunctive Normal Form and PDNF stands for Principal Disjunctive Normal Form. Before learning BCNF and PDNF, you must know how it is superior than CNF and DNF. In order to arrive at unique normal form of a given formula, we introduce BCNF and PDNF. Let us see some details. What is PDNF? A product of variables and their negations in a formula is called an elementary product. That is, a sum of elementary products is called PDNF. What is BCNF? A sum of the variables and their negations in a formula is called an elementary sum. That is, a product of elementary sum is called a BCNF of the given formula. I got the concept, but how to solve? Example. Actually, it is too easy to solve. Remember few steps and you will be able to find the answer. Consider an example. Let us see how to convert it in BCNF. Step 1. If connectives, implication or double implication are present, they are replaced by and or negation. Step 2. If necessary, distributive or idempotent laws are applied. Step 3. Check whether complement or dominant law is applied or not. Step 4. If there is an elementary product equivalent to F and elementary sum equivalent to T are omitted in BCNF and PDNF, let us convert BCNF to PDNF. If statement formula is tautology, then its BCNF consists of 0 max terms and its PDNF consists of all min terms. And if statement formula is contradiction, then BCNF consists of all max terms and PDNF consists of 0 min terms. If statement formula is contingency, then BCNF consists of some max terms and PDNF is also consist of some min terms. Got it? Wait, I will explain it in detail. Consider an example. By considering above rules, since statement formula contains all max terms, it is contradiction and its PDNF form consists of 0 min terms. Since PDNF form of statement formula contains all min terms, it is tautology and its BCNF form doesn't contain any max terms. Here we got BCNF and PDNF. Since BCNF form consists of some max terms and PDNF form consists of some min terms, statement formula is contingency. In this way, by using BCNF and PDNF, you will be able to know whether the solution of circuit is tautology, contradiction or contingency. Now I got the concept of BCNF and PDNF.